Okay, here's another song. The song is, even though, the message of the song is, even though you have someone, a lover right now, but I'm still here, loving you still the way I felt before. Even though the song is, even though, that is just an English even though, but the real title is, Bisan Pa. Even though, Bisan Pa. Okay, for, last time, what can you say? What can you say about sa Bisan Pa, Vincent?
Mr. Bisaya, gapos na.
Mura mo pagkag through that. Okay. I want you to listen carefully so you can know the message of the song. It really strikes to your heart. Okay, the song goes on like this. Ako nagpaabot pa, kamanibalik ka. Kagahapon ka, gusto pa, ako, igalintan na. Bisan pa, umalain ka na. Nakita ko karon ang kahimtangon, lahi jud sa kupang kauban sa iyang kinilang pagkamay bayan mo. Kakuha niya naglandong na balikon mo. Bisan pa ug may lain ka na, ikaw lang gihapon ang higugmaon. Bisan pa ug kasakit lang ang angkon, bumalik ka ang sana kong dawaton. Bisan pa. Yeah, that's the song. You know, it really hurts a lot. But even though, just accept the reality.